the people of New York.
By the media. They appreciate all of America's support during this time and want to thank you for giving you free shipping on your entire order.
They lost a massive, massive judgment, not only against former President Trump, but also against two of his sons. They lost that case. And now they're going to try to appeal it and wind its way through the process. But what you're saying is he shouldn't have to put up a dime, and he should be allowed to appeal.
$45 million. Like that's...
Away all trauma, but we do see hope, a path forward, a future.
Following is a test of the emergency alert system. Extended operational area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.